I hope you guys heard. I hope the Wi-Fi didn't cut the last thing I said. But yeah, basically, for those that didn't hear, the last thing I said was, what the fuck was the last thing I said, bro? Yeah, about me and Gambo hitting pictures. Yeah, man. Every time the gang was taking pictures, we're gone. It was never in none of them. So, and I regret that so much now, man. I regret that shit so much. Like, that shit fucks me up too, because like now it's like all the memories have to be in my head and everybody else's head and everyone that was there, and you know. Bro, that's like one of my biggest regrets as well, you know. Even like fucking like throwing away all my things from back then, like you get me, all my letters from all that, you get me, all the times, all the bro, everything, bro, from jail, everything, like bro, I literally like wanted to forget about everything, like when I first, you know, I just wanted to forget about everything. Just burnt everything, bro. Bro, I regret that shit so much now. Why did I go jail? Many reasons and few times. Let's not get into that. Positive education equals constant elevation, not negative education. You feel me? How did I meet Gambo? It's the maddest story, bro. That's the maddest one. Why would you even ask me that right now? That's the maddest story. I can't give you the whole story, but I'll just give you a quick summary, right? So, I left Brixton and went to stay with my uncle in Romford, you get me? Because she was a bit mad. And fucking, yeah, I just come out one day and I'm on the roads and I go to the park in Harold Hill, yeah? And fucking, I'm looking for some weed, right? Because I don't have no, like, I'm tripping out, like. So fucking, yeah, I'm just walking and then fucking I see Gambo there just standing in the corner with, I think it was with One Way. It was with One Way and I think it might have been Lawn. But yeah, they're just kicking it in the corner, yeah? So fucking, I just walked up, I'm like, bro, you got some weed? Or some random, like, you feel me? Obviously, I had my protection on me. So I weren't scared. And so, yeah, I just walked up on him and, yeah, since then, I don't know. From that day, it's like, bro, this guy became, with Pascal was there, yeah. From that day, he just became my best friend, you know? How did I meet Manny? Bombo clot. That's another fuck story. That one I'm not telling you. Forget about that one. There's no summary for that one. Ryan. Yeah. Big up Ryan still, man. I see you. You get me? At least you had the heart to, you get me? The fact that you had the heart to get in that ring. You get me? Because you know how I feel about the whole thing in the first place, Ryan. You get me? I wasn't impressed by none of it, bro. You get me, Carl? Both of you came to me as brothers, and if you come to me as brothers, you better stay brothers. You get me? Yeah, man. 7G, respect niggas with heart. We only fuck with niggas with heart, bro. Understand? Hey, Gungu, I don't see you. No worry. It's crazy. That's crazy. That's massive. That's massive. I see you. Did I ever live in Port Harcourt? Motherfucker, I was born in Port Harcourt, bro. What do you think? Positive education equals constant elevation, you understand? No weak-heartedness, you understand? Whole franchise of badness. Come on, it's me, my baby.